Well, it's about that time. It's about that time we get to this rust. Probably thought you lost us, but good luck. We're gonna be hitting all this rust with a wire brush. Then we're gonna go back with rust and reform and seal it all up. So enjoy the time lapse and yeah, enjoy it. Went through, I finished wire brushing all of the rust down. I painted what I could. We're gonna take all the windows out and reseal them, and we have to build new spacers for them to hold them. So that will wait whenever we take the windows out. But I went through and I painted all of the rust spots. So got a lot of it. A lot of it done. See, we got those spots, but it looks actually pretty good, really. It looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out. And also the rust is really just surface rust. There is some deep rust. However, most of it is a surface dust, surface rust. Other than that, it's been good. Haven't really had any issues today. Just kind of taking it easy day, but still getting things done.
Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Oh, wow, wow.
We've just been getting this lift out. It's pretty hot, but we're getting her done. Here comes Angel now. It's out there somewhere. It looks like the lift's about out. We got it all unhooked from power. Got 4 of the 8 bolts out, and we got 4 left. Just been working on them. Been pretty easy with the Milwaukee ratchet and all that fun stuff. But we got 4 more to go, and I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with underneath. But I got all of this unhooked. All of the power and everything is unhooked. We're actually gonna sell it or donate it. We were thinking about getting scrap for it or just taking it to the dump, but it just wasn't worth it. So we're taking the time to do it right.
Yep.
But once this thing is out, then we can get the rest of this wall out, get the windows, reseal all these windows, put foam into here, little spacers, re-insulate the whole thing, and then we should be pretty much ready to build from there. So stay tuned. You guys didn't lose us yet. We're still alive. We're still here.
Still kicking.
We plan to keep on kicking. And we're actually going to be kind of stepping away from so many build videos, and we're going to be focusing more on adventures, like what the channel is named after. So motorcycle adventures, Honda adventures, and bus adventures to come. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so down here, I've been making it easy on us. I've been grabbing this. I just clamp it, and then we go up top, and we just crank it until that hits the frame, and then it holds it for us. So it's been made a pretty simple process, really. And all these wires and everything are unhooked already, so we're pretty much ready to get this thing out. We're ready. And just like that, it's all taken out. Well, it's still in, but it's disconnected. So the hard part's done. So got that all out. Got the ground wire all taken out and deleted. We got that power cord. We got to follow all the way back to the front, and still got to do that. But other than that, we got the lift out. on to the next step. We're gonna get this back wall out, and she's coming along. She's getting done. I feel like it's gonna move quick once we really start putting things down and getting her cooking. So.
I'm scared now.
So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get started on this other board right here, and try to get the most out of it. I finished that other board, so now I'm gonna let you guys watch one, or let you guys judge me a little bit, and then we're gonna start cutting. So it should be a good time. Alrighty, got this one all done. We got a little bit of space, but I didn't measure the cracks, the bends in the bus, so we're just gonna save our little scraps, and yeah, did pretty good. We got 5 more boards to go. I don't think we're gonna use all of them, but we'll see. Another one done. We're moving now, going real quick. Probably got 1 more board, even though I bought 4. Doesn't matter. Let's get to more measuring. Another one done. Had a good one over here. Be right on the house. I did not plan for that. Another board. Last board. We're ready to go. Yeah, let's get to cutting. Well, 2 new pieces of subfloor in. Still got to route them down because we're going to go around these. So we're just going to route them out. But it's starting to come together, starting to look real nice. Real nice. Then we got that underlayment for a little extra insulation. We went around the edges and we sprayed, foamed all of the gaps and cracks so we can't get any air coming in from underneath. Because the new subfloor is going to cover it. So that's all filled in and covered up. All of our insulation's already cut, so once we do that, we can really get started and party on. So to save some room, we went with this thin underlayment that I actually already had, so it didn't cost us anything, and it helps with the sound solution, also a moisture barrier and everything like that. We got foam along the edges, sealed along the whole side, and we actually have all of our pieces cut and routed already, so it is ready to go on. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Man, I've been. So this has been going for way too. Come on.
No wonder you were never that tired.